Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the primers which are from Indian beauty brands, and these primers are from affordable and drugstore category. Now the great part about these primers are if you have oily skin and if you have combination skin who has oily T-zone, then these primers are absolutely fantastic. And also if you have pores on your skin, these primers are good for mattifying your skin, reduces the appearance of pores and fine lines from your skin. So if you guys are interested in knowing the details about these primers, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon, and now let's get started. So the first primer that we have is this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Now this primer is to tone, smoothen and perfect out your skin, and I'm gonna quickly read what's written at the back side of the packaging. It is a velvety smooth primer that instantly blurs out the appearance of pores and fine lines for an effortless makeup application. It is packed with vitamin E, which hydrates your skin while prepping it up. As it reduces the appearance of pores and fine lines and mattifying and blurring out this, it's great for oily and combination skin. But as it contains vitamin E in it, which hydrates your skin, I think it's going to be perfect for dry skin as well. Now this primer has a very lightweight silicone based formula which helps in filling out the pores and reducing the appearance of the pores and making your skin look blurred, as it creates a very smooth canvas for makeup application. I think it's great for everyday use and it comes in really handy. So the packaging of this primer looks really great. It is very girlish, very cute and very adorable. You always prefer something which is very girly in your vanity, then you can definitely check this out. It retails for $4.99 and the quantity that you get is 30 gram, which is really great in this affordable and drugstore category. So I think this is a perfect primer for your everyday makeup routine, and I think it's worked best for oily and combination skin. Now the second primer that we have here is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is a base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer. Now this is again a great primer for minimizing the pores. So I'm going to quickly read what's written at the back side of the packaging. It says it has up to 12 hours of oil control. I think it's a great feature for oily skin, for combination skin, and the skin who has especially oily T-zone. And I have oily T-zone and it works really great. A very small amount goes a long way. It sort of mattifies my skin and also helps in making my makeup look really even and smooth. Also it helps in making my makeup last longer. So apart from this 12 hours oil control formula, this primer also helps in reducing the appearance of pores and fine lines, which makes your skin visibly softer and smoother and makes the foundation glides easily on your skin. And the packaging of this primer is absolutely great. It's very sleek and really nice. I really like this tube. It's perfect for travel purposes and it's very handy. You can fit in any bag and travel with it. I think it's gonna be a perfect travel buddy. So this primer retails for $7.99 and the quantity that you get is 30 ml, which is similar to Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Like quantity wise you get the similar quantity, but it is a little expensive than Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, but absolutely fantastic primer. So the third primer that we have here is the Pack Pore Primer. Now this primer is again really great primer to reduce the appearances of the pores and fine lines from your face. It sort of like blurs out your skin and makes your skin look very flawless, which makes the application of foundation very easily on your face. So I'm gonna quickly read what's written here. This primer smooths the skin and preps your skin when targets the visible pores and make your skin soft and even finish. So guys, this is the first primer that I started with. When I started my makeup, I used to use this only, and since then I have been loving this primer. This is the second tube that I have and I'm almost about to finish this as well, and it's absolutely fantastic. The formula of this primer is slightly different than the Nykaa one and the Sugar Cosmetics one. It is silicone based formula, but it is very velvety, very soft, and it looks really different than the rest of the others. It is a cream and a velvety kind of a texture. This is my favorite primer just because of the weightless texture that it has. It sort of blurs out your skin and make your skin look very smooth and very soft. This primer helps in making your makeup blends very nicely, which make it more natural, and also helps in mattifying your face, which sort of make your makeup last longer. With the pricing part, it retails for $8.45 and you only get 25 gram, which is a slightly expensive than the rest of the two primers, as they are 30 grams and 30 ml, but this is only 25 grams. Like you get 5 grams lesser, and with the pricing part, it is more expensive than those. So if you are looking for a very velvety sort of formula, then you should definitely try it out. If you compare it with rest of the two apart from the pricing part, it's slightly different with the texture also. When I use this one, my makeup looks very flawless. My makeup stays longer and it looks very soft on skin. Also, the packaging of this primer is really different from the rest of these two. It comes in this black primer, which makes it look really professional, and you get this very small tube which helps in taking the required amount. You don't end up wasting or taking a lot more than required, so you can just take a piece size of it, which goes a long way. So that's about it, guys. These are my take on these primers, and these are like my absolutely favorite from Indian beauty brands and perfect for oily and combination skin. You can definitely check it out if you are looking for primers which will target your fine lines, your pores and your oily skin. And also the fact that they come in this affordable and drugstore category, it makes them really great to use for day-to-day purposes. And I hope you guys like this video. If so, then definitely give a thumbs up to my video and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram for more fashion, beauty and travel related content. And I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care. Bye.